Alright, hello guys. It's another beautiful day today at currently at 31 degrees Celsius, and today is the day that I'm gonna get down to my pond and to do some cleaning and set up my water lily stands. So let's get started. So as you can see, the water temperature in the pond right now is at 22 degrees. So it's warming up to get down into the water. It's been hot for the last few days. Actually, it's the whole week this week. And so, as you can see, I have my cinder blocks and my patio stone ready to go down. And thanks to your recommendation, I have ground down these edges to make it soft, so the fish won't get injured. And have my rubber mat here. So my plan for today is setting up my water lily stands down there. Then I'm gonna pick up some of the big stone at the bottom there to make some room for the fish, especially in the winter time, so they can hibernate out there. Also, I'm gonna remove all the patio stones that I set down there at the start of the pond building, just to tuck in a pond liner, but actually it wasn't needed. So I'm gonna pull those up and to use somewhere else. As you can see, the water is still clear, as clear as it can be. So, and this week weather is perfect for me to get down to the pond and do some cleanings. You can see my fish are hungry. I haven't fed them yet today. I actually ran out of food today. I'm still waiting for my order to come in today. Probably late Amazon order. So sorry guys, fish. Sorry fish. You gotta wait for a bit, and I'm gonna come in and just to play with you. Alright guys, let's get started. Yeah, hopefully I won't get burned today, because I don't put on any sunscreen, any chemical that may contaminate the water. That'll be harmful for the fish. So no sunscreen. I'm gonna go down with my bare skin, so hopefully I won't get burned with the sun today. Cold. That's cold. That's cool. Hey guys. Gotta wait for a bit. So I'm gonna try to clean some of the gravels. Cold. Wow, look at me. Water is up here from around my waist. Give me some time to get used to the water. Alright, so I'm gonna clean some of the gravel in this area so I can set the cinder blocks down. I'm gonna move that one out of the way. 2. So that's where I'm going to set my first stand, and the second stand will be somewhere over here. Okay, okay, getting warmer now. So yeah, we'll see. All right. Cold, cold, cold. Move that out of the way. Alright guys, so it's done now. As you can see, I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, the pond is getting dirty and cloudy again. I went down. We got my water lily stand set and pull up some stone at the bottom and fill up this side and this side of the pond. So I also remove some of the patio stone that is set down at the bottom of the pond there. So just put them up. Yeah, I went deep down to the bottom, so making the pond so dirty and messy now. So I'll give it a few days to clear up again. You can also see that I moved my water Irish to that side of the pond there. That's that. As of right now, yeah, the pond is kind of dirty. So like I say, we'll give it a few days to clear it up. Other than that, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll check back in a few days when the pond is clear again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now and enjoy your weekend.